Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure health devices with Apple Health easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your iPhone. Open the Health app, which features a heart icon. Once the app is open, look for the Browse tab at the bottom right corner. Tap on Browse to explore different health categories. Select a category that you want to integrate with your health devices, such as heart. Now, locate the Health Devices section within the chosen category. Tap on Health Devices to see a list of compatible devices. If you don't see your device listed, ensure it is powered on and in pairing mode. Return to the main screen of the Health app. Next, tap on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Devices from the list. In the Devices section, tap on Add Device. Choose the specific device you want to configure from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device via Bluetooth. Once paired, allow the Health app to access data from your device. Adjust any settings related to notifications and data sharing as prompted. After configuration, return to the Browse tab to see your updated health data. Verify that your device is syncing data correctly with the Health app. You are now set up to track your health data seamlessly. Enjoy monitoring your health and wellness with your configured devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.